welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a cooking video. So today I'm going to be making fried chicken with white rice and bean sauce. So here's all my ingredients, and then I got the white rice over there on the floor. So I already washed my hands. I'm going to fix my sweater. It's a little cold in my house. I'm going to season my chicken. I already washed it and stuff. It's already nice and washed. I gotta dump some of that water out. Alright, so I'm going to season this chicken and I'll see you guys as soon as I'm done. Okay guys, so I am back and let me fix my lighting. There you go. I'm back and let me show you guys my chicken. There's my chicken. And I forgot to show you guys the adobo that I put in my bean sauce. So I'm going to put some oil in my pan, and then this is for the rice, and then up here is my oil for the chicken. Now I don't have any flour or anything, so I usually would put my chicken in flour and all that, but I don't have no flour right now, so I'm not going to do that. So I'll be right back, and yeah, I'll be right back as soon as I put my oil down and get this pan ready. So I figured I would just show you guys what I put in this pan as I'm going. So got a scoop of tomato paste. I need a little bit more than that. Got some of my sofrito. Now I usually take like a scoop and a little bit more, like 2 scoops, 2 of these spoons. Now this stuff, I usually use the one in the can because I don't know how to make it myself. And same thing with this. I'm just going to put the rest. There's only a little bit. So, put that in the trash. Done. I'm going to put some adobo. Some onion. This is garlic, actually. This is onion powder. And then 1 pack of sazon for 1 can of beans. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. So now guys, I just mixed everything. So that's what it's looking like. I turned on the stove. So yeah, pretty much, I cooked the bean sauce first. Also, I don't have potatoes. I would have put potatoes in my bean sauce, but I don't have any. Sorry guys, I'm looking over here. What am I doing? Yeah, I don't have no potatoes, so I'm not putting any in, or else I would. But I gotta let all my flavors cook together so my food don't come out sour. And then we'll start frying my chicken. So now guys, it's kind of like sizzling up a little bit, as you can tell. Let me fix my lighting again because I always have to do this. So it's sizzling. I brought my oil down too. That oil's still clean. It was used about like 2 times, so still clean. Why waste oil when it's not dirty? So yeah, got my can of beans right here. Hey, I'll see you guys once I add the beans, because there ain't no fun part about this. So now, y'all, I just added the beans and stirred it up. So, and I saved the can because I have to put a can of water once this boils and cooks. So, once that starts boiling, I'll get back to y'all. So guys, the beans are sizzling, see? And I decided to turn my oil on so I can start my chicken because my beans are gonna sit here for a little while and cook. So, and because I add water, let it boil, you know, you'll see the whole process. So, once my oil's going and all that, you know, this is what it looks like now that I put a can of water. Now I just gotta let it boil out, put some more water, boil out, put some more water, you know. Alright guys, so my oil got hot, my chicken is in, my water is slowly starting to boil out, so we'll see. Now I gotta put my corn in a bowl. Be back. Okay, so my chicken is still frying. That is still going. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Let's turn the hot water on. Add a little more hot water. And then boom. So got my kiddos in here. Obviously they stay on that side of the kitchen because it's hot over here and the oil and all that. I put all of them in there. I'm cooking 12. So I put all of them in there. Hey, I'll see you guys when this gets more interesting. So guys, the bean sauce is done. It's over there. The chicken's done. I shut it off. Then he's gonna put it in the strainer and start the white rice. He does the white rice because I cannot do white rice. I can't. So we'll see you then. That's the finished product. So hey guys, this is the process of the rice. Coming out good. Coming out good. Coming out great. Thank you, baby. Yeah, he makes the best white rice. So guys, this is the finished product. Looking bomb. Ooh, focus. Ooh, can't wait to eat that. So bomb. Well, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for cooking with me. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.